The fire's out, but the job's not done. There's soot on stuff that never burned and hose water sitting in the unit below. In Brooklyn rowhouses and pre-war walkups, smoke doesn't stay in one apartment. It travels through shared walls and shafts, so we check the unit next door and the floors above too. We walk the whole property and clean soot off everything that survived. Then we extract the firefighting water before it becomes its own problem. We run odor treatment until the smell is actually gone, rather than covered up. Our part ends once the space is clean and dry. Once we're done, the space is documented and ready for whoever handles the finish work next. We cover Brooklyn any hour, day or night. Don't wait on smoke and soot. Call 347-853-8827.